I'm guessing 20 to 25 miles an hour, but my anemometer crapped out already, so I'm not sure exactly. But it is sideways snow. It's moderate, but it's just blowing really bad. So visibility is getting pretty bad. Also reporting I had like 3 power brownouts. Didn't totally lose power, but the lights did dim. Back to net control.
KB3TKX. Okay, that's great information. Got it all in the log. Thanks, Bob.
Here is WB3BKN.
WB3BKN, KB3OZA. How you doing, Terry?
Oh, just peachy. I have a couple of things here. 25 degrees in Halifax Township, 11 inches of snow, and visibility of around 200 feet. That's about what we've got here.
Okay, I got it in the log. What's your spotter number, Terry?
Number is 157086.
Okay, gotcha.
Alrighty, I'll be listening from the roof. I have to go clear a roof. WB3BKN.
Okay, the fun never ends, does it?
I'll say. And the roads are slick. I can attest to that. So can the front end of my Suburban.
Oh no, you didn't go deer hunting again, did you?
No, I went hunting for a big pile of snow off the road, trying to turn into a gas station. Didn't hurt anything too bad, but they're slick.